Greetings, true connoisseurs of classic vehicles. Today I invite you to a short trip through Minerva history. Minerva was a Belgian firm active from 1902 to 1938 and a manufacturer of luxury automobiles. The company became defunct in 1956. Founded by Dutchman Sylvain de Jong, the company initially produced safety bicycles before branching out into light cars and motorized bicycles in 1900. By 1902, Minerva added cars to its lineup. The brand achieved fame due to the quality and quietness of its night engines and was favored by royalty and influential people like Henry Ford. Despite success, financial struggles during the 1930s led to its merger with Ampere Automobiles, another Belgian manufacturer. Let's learn about the fascinating evolution of the various models and major milestones in the fields of vehicle manufacturing. In addition, if you wish, you can support our channel by liking it or subscribing to Patreon. You will find the link in the description below the video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more.